Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. This morning I am joined by Esther here, and that was BB who just went racing by. It is a beautiful day here and I'm going to take you guys for a little adventure out to a spot called Long Beach to go check out some caves. We'll see what we can see today. So let's go! How dope is that? I forgot how awesome it was out here. So pretty. The rocks are incredible, the trees are out the gate. It's really beautiful. So these are like some of my favorite places. It's just something about it. It's like just off the water. There's enormous cliffs up here. They're just incredible. Some of these trees have got to be hundreds of years old. Like, they're enormous. And they are just so beautiful. Knotty and still surviving. Nature fizzes me out hard. I imagine that everyone that comes out here to visit the caves at the end take the beach. Well, this track's gotten so much more overgrown. Like, this is the track. That is the track. Oh my goodness. Hello. Oh, I wonder if he'll come back. Wow, I've never seen a black one like that before. Where are you, Piwaka? Wow, so beautiful. Wow, this is crazy. The light coming through the bottom of these trees up here. Talk about gorgeous. I mean, geez, look at this day. I'm so grateful. Such a cool spot. Alrighty. Looks like the track's a bit more trodden on here, but she's still a bit of a push through. How dope is that? Little hole up there. Oh, we're nearly there. I mean, look at this thing. It almost looks man-made. How cool is that? There's some bigger ones down the way, so we'll go check them out. So cool. Hello. This place is wild. I suppose they do call it wild Dunedin. Man, I really did forget how cool it was out here. I'm so glad I have brought you guys along. Go check out the big cave. Alright, you ready? Hopefully it's as good as I remember. So friends, this is it. And that's a wrap. This is Long Beach in Dunedin, Otago. I hope that you enjoyed this little adventure. If you're down here, come check it out. The backdrop is out the gate, incredible. I'm so grateful that it has been a stunning day to get out here. I completely forgot how incredibly beautiful it is. So there's that. And yeah, I'm gonna take the beach back and enjoy some beautiful sunshine and ocean sounds. So good. So good. so cool. Oh, it's definitely dropping down in temperature. Once you get into here, into the trees, it's like, oh yeah. Afternoon is closing in. Home to light the fire, I think. Probably one of my favourite spots in here. Let's face it, there's lots of favourite spots. How can you just choose one? Just biased. Oh wow, that temperature's really dropping. I hope that those backpackers have got some really warm sleeping bags because it's going to get cold. Like, does anyone else fizz out on that stuff? I could look at it for hours. I swear I could just get a hot cuppa, sit down here and just stare up there. There's so much to look at. There's so many textures and colours and just, I don't know, like there's just the light coming through as well. It's beautiful. It's so beautiful. Oh my gosh, I can't believe how much the temperature has dropped since going out there. I'm going to be interested to know what it is when I get in the car, but it is quite chilly indeed. I'll let you know. Okay, I'm back in the car and it says 12 degrees. I reckon it's colder than that. Anyway, we'll see when we start moving. Maybe the car's still warm from the sun being on it, I don't know, but man, it is definitely chilling down, so I am gonna head home and light the fire and make some dinner later on. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this clip, don't forget to hit like and subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. It's been so nice having you here. Until next time, adventure safe.